Sam.
Hi, Kapree.
So, I just got done reading chapter 2. We should go over some of the key points in it for our test kind of study.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
So, we could go over the scientific method. You want to do that?
Yeah, there'll probably be some questions about that on the test.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I would assume so. Alright, so first step, define a problem, which is pretty much just asking a question.
Alright, so let's use an example of where college students would prefer to study. Which coffee shop college students would prefer to study in.
That's a good one.
Starbucks or the Flying M?
Okay, so we have our problem. Next, we move on to research.
Review literature.
Literature, that too.
To check and see if other people have done research on this topic, and so we're not beating a dead horse.
And that would be how we would form our hypothesis too, which
Yes,
we would
get opinions.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So then you would form hypothesis, so you would have to figure out
What you
variables and all that. So I think that people would more likely want to study at the M, the Flying M.
I agree. So that's our hypothesis.
Yeah.
And the variables that we could test. So what would some variables be? Like environment, loudness of the music,
space,
yes.
space to study,
internet access,
yes, coffee quality,
yes, that is huge,
customer service.
Yes. So we would be able to test all of those things. So next we would go on to collecting data and doing our surveys and experiments, etc.
Mm-hmm.
And then
we would test our, see if we were right, our conclusion.
Yeah.
See if our hypothesis were right or not.
Mm-hmm.
And then get our work published.
Yes. Perfect.
Sweet. I think we got all of that.
Anything else that... Oh, the Hawthorne effect. We could go over that real fast.
Yeah.
So that was pretty much just saying that, people are more apt to work harder when other people are around. When researchers are around.
Yeah.
Or you always want to look better.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, if we were to ask a group of guys, all right, where would you prefer? And if they were like, well, where do you like? And we told them the M, they would probably pick the M.
Probably, so they could hang out with us.
Yeah, that would not be good.
Not be good.
That would definitely make our experiment less accurate.
True. All right.
All right.
I feel better.
Yeah, me too.
High five.
Ace this test.